Hi guys, and welcome to your week 3 yoga practice of Live Well in the New Year Challenge. I hope that you're feeling stronger in your yoga practice and stronger in your core. And after you're done with today, you only have one full week left to go with a surprise at the end. So let's go ahead and start today's practice in child's pose. Come on down to tabletop first. Now look at your knees, separate them. Look at your feet, bring them together. Now take your booty backwards, extend your arms forward. And then go ahead and melt your head down, okay? Good. Deep inhale. Deep exhale. Inhale. Exhale. See if you can quiet your mind in just a few short breaths. And then from here, I want you to take your time. When you feel ready, you're going to look forward. And then make your way to your tabletop. We're going to spin our hands around, one hand and then the other, working the space in our forearms and our wrist as we drive the heels of our hands down into the earth below us. Feel the opening through the forearms and the back of the elbows. Good. And then from there, I want you to exhale, turn your fingertips around so that they're forward facing. Good. And then we're going to tuck our toes together. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breath in, breath out. Go ahead and walk your hands to the back of your mat and find your feet. We're going to lift the spine halfway. We're going to clasp the fingers behind our heads, interlacing them here. Pull the elbows in and then roll the chin into the chest. 3. Good. 2. And then keep hold of your head here. Roll up inch by inch, bone by bone. And then once you get to the top, let your head fall back into your hands. Let your elbows spread wide. Broaden the heart. Good. Now broaden the arms out long. Reach. Exhale your hands to your hips. Round the spine. Fold forward. Good. Lengthen halfway. Exhale. Walk forward to plank. Drop your feet to the left. Peel your right arm high. Inhale, side plank. Good. Now bring the right arm over the head. Lateral stretch. Open up. Exhale, put it down. Drop the feet to the right. Inhale, left arm reaches up. Stay there. And if you wish, over the head. 3, 2. Exhale, high plank. Good. Lower down to your stomach. Tops of your feet are down. Inhale, come up to cobra. You can keep the elbows bent or feel free to keep the pelvis down for your bhujangasana or cobra. Just lift your chest. Good. Exhale to hands and knees, down dog. Right leg rises, reach up. Exhale, step through. Right arm reaches, take a gentle twist. Good. Push through your back heel. 3. Open up your heart. 2. Lower your right hand on. 1. Good. Shorten your stance. Left heel drops down. Right thumb moves to the crease of the right hip. Pull your hips back, moving into a variation of pyramid pose. If you're really tight, you might want blocks under your hands, or just let your right knee bend some more. And then you're going to slowly rebend the right knee. Step back more, and then rise all the way up to high lunge. Good. Open arm twist to the right, and as you do, bend your bottom knee, rotate the spine open, look behind you at your right thumb. Inhale, come back to center, back leg straightens all the way. Exhale, release your hands. Step back to down dog, hips high. Left leg lifts on your inhale, reach up. Good. Exhale, step through. Right hand stays down, left arm opens up to twist. 3. Stack the shoulders, push through your back heel. 2. Left hand lower, step the right foot up slightly over to the right, heel anchors down, left thumb, crease of left hip, pull it back. Beautiful. Fold over, left leg, 3. Head hangs heavy, slow your breath, 2. Good. On your next breath, look forward. Take your right foot, step it back some. Inhale, come up to high lunge, core is engaged. Now, bend your back right knee, pivot and rotate open to the left, 3. Squeeze your butt, look behind you at your left thumb, 2. Good. Inhale, straighten the back leg all the way, reach up to the sky. Frame your foot. This time, step forward, right foot meets left foot, okay? Halfway, lift your spine. Exhale, fold forward. You're going to meet me in a pose called toe balance. So bring your big toes together. Lift your heels, sink down. Now, depending on your flexibility and alignment, this may or may not be available, and that's okay. Hands come to your thighs if you want. Squeeze your legs together, lift your chest. And then maybe you can curl your arms around your shins, rolling the spine over the legs. Good. From here, we're going to take the left arm across the right leg. And then see if you can twist. This is difficult. 3. Good. It's a deep twist. Pull your knees together. 2. And then exhale, come back through center. Same thing to the left. So cross, hook, rotate, pressing into the balls of your feet, spinning your spine. 3. Squeeze your knees tightly together for me. 2. Good. Inhale, come back to center. Elevate your heart right here. Exhale, put your hands down, fold forward. Nice job. Slowly roll to stand. Inhale, reach your arms all the way up. Lean back, open your heart. And then exhale your hands to heart center. Raise your left knee up in line with your belly button. Good. Glide it back to warrior 3. Lean your heart forward, push your left foot back, make your right leg really straight. Good. Lift up through the stomach a little bit more. Beautiful. Glide your left leg all the way back to neutral. Switch. Right knee comes straight up, same pose. Exhale, lift up through the core. Glide your right leg back as you engage through your stomach muscles. Push with the bottom of your right foot. 3. Lift your heart, lift your back heel. 2. You've got this. Inhale, bring your knee all the way back up. Nice job. Exhale, release. Now, wide-legged straddle, step open. So you can turn and face me or whatever is most comfortable on your mat. I want you to inhale your arms up high. Exhale, toes are turned slightly forward as you fold forward. Good. Lengthen the spine halfway. Exhale, fold in. Release your head, neck, and shoulders, and then maybe turn your head from side to side. Good. Option here. Right hand stays. Left arm opens, and you're going to bring your left arm behind your back. Maybe you can bind, taking your right hand around your right leg, creating a bind. 3. Lift up through your booty. 2. Good. Exhale, slowly release the bind. All right, and then we'll do the other side. So, left hand down, right arm rises. Bring the right hand behind the back. If you want, bring the left arm up and around. Maybe you can bind your fingertips as you open up through your chest. 3. Good. 2. And if you can't get the bind, that's okay. Exhale, 1. Both hands down. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, right knee takes a nice deep bend. Skandasana. Left leg is straight. Engage the core, so lift up through the midline. Good. And now walk the body to the opposite side of the mat. Bend the left knee. Right leg straight. We're going to do one more on each side, okay? So take an inhale here. Good. Exhale. Let's move to the right knee. Bend it. And that might be the front or back of the mat, depending on which way you turn. So just make sure you're moving to one side and then the other. Exhale, pivot, pivot, we make our move. Nice job. From here, fold forward in the center, meet me here. Exhale, head down, knees are soft, breathe out. Good, soften the knees, bone by bone, stand it up. Relax, and then bring the legs together. Good, top of your mat, wherever that is, go ahead and take your time. Inhale, reach up high. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, flat back. Good, now return to your toe balance if you can, and see if you can balance with your hands at heart center this time. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. If you're like me, the bottoms of my feet are really uncomfortable. So what it is doing, it is actually assisting me in helping the bottoms of my feet, meaning it's stretching them, as I also feel the work. That's normal, okay? Take 2 more breaths. Exhale, drop the booty, and then pull your knees in, lay all the way down onto your back. Nice job. From here, we're gonna take the right ankle over the left leg. Good, supine figure 4 as you hug your knee to your chest, great work. Good, exhale, take your time, switch, left ankle comes over right leg, and then you'll hug your knee into your chest again. Flex your feet for 3. Good, let your shin come in nice and tight here for 2. And then exhale, release both feet flat. You're gonna slowly start to elevate the pelvis. So walk the shoulder blades underneath the back if you want to. Palms are up or down, bridge pose. Squeeze your glutes, lift your hips. And then take the back of your head, push it down as you open up your heart for 3. Squeeze your bum, 2. Melt down slowly to the mat, inch by inch, bone by bone, until you reach the bottom. Beautiful job. Now widen out your feet. Go ahead and let them drop from the right to the left. So you're just going to let those knees fall left and right. Little massage here. Now let them fall to the right, but pick up your right leg. Watch if you need to. Put your right heel on top of your left thigh. And you should feel a really nice opening through the top of your left thigh bone. Good. Right foot is flexed, pulling the left thigh bone down. Good. Release, gently come through center. Bring your right knee over. Left heel comes on top. Good. And then again, you're going to feel all this space in your right thigh. 3. Big exhale. 2. Then you're going to bring it back through center. Oh yes. Hug your knees in tightly to your heart. Press your low back down into the mat beneath you. So really feel that nice pull. Press, press, press. Good. Take a moment here. I want you to let your feet widen, let your knees touch. Put your hands on your low belly and take 3 breaths. Connect. 2. And 1. Exhale, you can curl to one side or make your way up to seated. It's up to you. And remember, with longer yoga practices, you'll be in those poses longer for you to enjoy the time there. So sit up tall, open up the heart, close your eyes, hands greet heart center. This mudra is Anjali Mudra. Lift the chest forward. Thank you for continuing this journey to live well. Beautiful job. Week 3 of your challenge is done. Let's bow forward. Namaste. Nice job, everyone. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to ask, and sharing the video is always very helpful. Thanks, everyone. See you later.